We'll guide you through how to normalize audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and go to the Edit page. This is where you'll spend most of your time adjusting and editing your project. Once you're in the Edit page, locate your audio track in the timeline that you want to normalize. Click on the audio clip to select it. Now, go to the Fairlight page by clicking on the music icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you have more advanced audio tools at your disposal. In the Fairlight page, find the audio clip in the timeline again, and right-click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Normalize Audio Levels. A new window will pop up prompting you to choose your normalization settings. You'll see options for setting the target level. Go ahead and set this to your desired level, commonly around -23 LUFS for broadcast standards or around -14 LUFS for online content like YouTube. Make sure the option for True Peak Limiter is checked to prevent any distortion or clipping in your audio. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click OK to apply the normalization. You'll notice that your audio levels have adjusted accordingly. You can now play back your track to ensure the levels are consistent and meet your desired output. This process helps in maintaining a balanced audio level throughout your project, making it more professional and pleasant to listen to. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.